Hi, my name is Ichirou Ey. In this channel, we do tutorials, tips and tricks, life hacks, on how you can improve yourself at school and in life. As well as lists of top 5s just like this one. So, if you are interested in these types of contents, consider subscribing.
In the last episode of Friday Fives, we talked about the different business opportunities that the current situation of global health crisis can lead us. If you have already watched that video, comment #F51done with your opinions and possible recommendations. If you haven't, please feel free to check it out. We promise that you'll learn something from it.
In today's episode, we will give you the top 5 ways on how you can monetize your YouTube channel. Yes, there are at least 5 ways to earn decent amount of money from your YouTube channel while doing what you love at the comfort of your own home or office. Number 1. Ad revenue. This is probably the most widely known income stream when we talk about earning from this platform. That is because Google, YouTube's mother company, is the one that handles it, through Google AdSense. If you are wondering how does this thing work, then you might be new to this world. For the sake of people like you, I will explain the basic concepts behind this. YouTube serves as a platform for large companies to advertise their business. Thus, it is paid by those companies for their ads to air, just like your ordinary TV commercials. In return, YouTube, through Google AdSense, shares its income to content creators like us, in the form of ad revenue. But of course, as a business, YouTube doesn't want all of their income to be given to all of us. This brings us to a strict qualification requirements for a YouTube channel to be called a partner, and thus earning a passive income. As of the moment, there are 2 main requirements for this program. A channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours of accumulated views for the past 365 days. This is on top of the existing YouTube guidelines, and other related policies and rules. If you want to learn more about monetizing your channel, consider subscribing, because we have a video series dedicated just for people like you. Number 2. Brand deals and sponsorship. I think you watched content creators on the fashion niche, who make videos about known brands of fashion products like bags, and other accessories, or a vlogger on the business niche, who dedicate a certain video, just to promote a certain business in the locality. They do this because of a paid agreement to make such content. You can earn outside of the Google company by having this kind of model for your channel. You just have to have a decent number of viewers who can be willing to watch you advertise your sponsor's business or product. Most of the time, brands and local companies reach out to YouTube influencers, but you can also make your first move. If you have a number of avid followers, and you are willing to do sponsored contents, send an email or talk personally to businesses and brands you want to be working with. Agreements on the payment can be based on your influence, if your channel is big or small, or the quality and quantity of contents. If you are going to make one video or a series of 5 videos or more. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. For the past years, there is also a large number of YouTubers who have earned a significant amount of cash by driving the consumer traffic to different companies that sell products and services. YouTubers may serve as affiliate in this sense, since they have a large number of followers or subscribers who can potentially be customers of a certain company or business. For example, a content creator who makes content about mobile phones and other similar gadgets may directly or indirectly advise his viewers to buy a particular model of a phone. To do this, he gives the viewers an affiliate link, specifically designed for him, which then lead the viewers to the online store, where the creator is an affiliate. If the viewer decides to buy the phone using the link, then the content creator earns a certain percentage of the sale, which is called affiliate commission. In some instances, YouTubers are given special promo code, which they share to their viewers and earn from them the same way. Other products like home essentials, cosmetics, cameras, websites, and e-courses are some of the most common in affiliate marketing. At the same time, services like web design and web hosting can also be an option, if you are in those niches. Number 4. Product sales and services. If you are already in a business, when you start YouTube, then you can maximize the use of your channel to the advantage of your company. You can use your channel as your free advertising platform, allowing your business to up its game and earn more. If you are not, but are passionate in creating a product that goes with your brand, you will be able to have another income stream by selling your products to your fans. Consider those YouTubers who have their own merchandise, in the form of shirts, hats, mags, and bags among others. They sometimes double, if not triple their income by selling those items. Another way to do this is by creating an online course, or a webinar. As of today, there is a large number of content creators, who created their own courses about the things they are expert at. The advantage is that, a course will only be made once, but can be sold forever, as long as people find it valuable. Lastly, number 5. Subscription. Latest developments in the field of technology and communication allows users of the internet to transfer funds easily. You can use this to your advantage. In recent edition of YouTube and its website, viewers and subscribers can contribute to funding the creator, allowing him to earn and improve his channel at the same time. Users send money to the channel in exchange of certain perks that they can do. For example, if a viewer is a member to a channel, he can send money through the super chat feature of YouTube. Outside YouTube, content creators also venture on websites like Patreon. Their subscribers or Patreons support their cause while they give them quality or specific content in return. If you are lucky, you can find people who can give you large amount of money to support your channel.
That is it for this week's episode of Friday Fives. See you all again next week for more contents about education, business, social media, and many more. Have a good day and stay safe.